Leach chapter 35, problem number 8. We start off with the last problem. I just controlled Z back to the beginning of number 7 or 6, whatever it was, until I get back to my beginning, or redraw it, one of the two. So the first thing you do is you take this image and you delete the bottom profile. Good. Now we're going to make a rectangle from this corner up to this corner. And there's my rectangle tool. Click. Click, click. Okay, so next we're going to create a new UCS. So I'm going to come and click on this one, and I'm going to make sure my orthos is on so nothing gets twisted here. I'm going to bring them up right to that point right there, and now I need to change the orientation. So the Z is pointing this way, and the X is supposed to be pointing out into the picture. Boom. Okay, they match now. Okay, the next thing is we're going to create a rectangle. So I'm going to get this in the proper view. We're going to use a rectangle. We're going to start it right at origin, and it says it's a 1.5 by 1, so 1.5 comma 1. Excellent. Now it says to move it, use 3D move. So 3D, oops, spelled correctly. 3D move is the one I want. Check, click my object I want to move, press enter because I'm done clicking. Select the best base point, wherever that's going to be. And now I'm going to move it 0.5. Excellent, exactly where I want it. Okay, next we change it back to the world, the UCS back to world, and erase the other parts. To view, world. This will be easier to erase. So this guy I'm going to erase, and this guy I'm going to erase. Now we just have these two left. Now we're going to be drawing a spline from the center of the bottom rectangle up to the top rectangle. To find the center, it looks like we're drawing a diagonal line through. Piece of cake. I'll enter. Click and click. I have, I think, endpoints turned on. Yeah, endpoints turned on. Second line. Turn off orthos. I can't get that diagonal line with it on. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to make a spline from here to here. It says spline and a midpoint. Typing in spline. Enter. So I'm going to click the first point. Then I'm going to enter 4.15, comma 1.25, comma 2.66. Enter. And then my last point will be the midpoint right there. Then enter. Okay, now we're going to connect the two, so it will look like this along this path right here. To do that, we're going to use loft. L-O-F-T, enter. Now I'm going to select the two triangles, select, select. Those are things we're going to connect. Press enter. Now we're going to choose the path. We want to use a path, and our path is this one, and there it is. I'm going to change the workspace, 3D modeling, and the view conceptual. Okay, that's it for number 8.